Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag people on your videos or shorts. It's very easy. First you can go to your YouTube app and you can click create here, plus icon in the bottom. And then I will just randomly make a short like this. And then stop it and just like that and click next after that. And you can tag in your uh, title like this. Hi at you have to begin with at, and you can type the username Mr. Beast or maybe Donald Trump like this, just like that. And then you can just click upload short, and in the title you will tag someone and they will notice it if they see it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.